Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa. American for baby, Ibezi, now welcome. Hilda's Kitchen, Hilda's Kitchen. Esipan Papa Fee, Ibeko Nasan Abba, Ebezi Bio. Baby, away is man. What's so? Why you feel? Na is this one? When Rabeji, because one was savage Banipo, one we are Konokake. What's so? Today's Banankasa. Nothing on your baby and what did you walk a one? Say Betty Papa or your Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in clean environments. Oh yeah, Zeb and Papa.
The fish is huge. And I'm fighting with my fish. Another one. Very big. Yeah, very big. We freeze. So those of you who wonder how you can use your scissors to clean your fish, yeah. So make sure the scissors, you have scissors, they are very, they've got something here that you can even use to open your bottles, or yeah, your bottles. So like a can opener, yeah, can opener, bottle opener. So we're trying to take, you have to be strong, or them won't send no years. And some fish net fins, and they are very hard. So there you go. There, now we don't have anything again. So the head, so the head, you start taking the, yeah, and I'm not another, or another, you're another. Then you go again. There you go. Make sure I had it. This way I'll be able to have access to bring out the intestines now. So here we are. I'm supposed to cut this place, but because it's very hard, how do I go about it? I have to find a way. Be careful. Find a way to do it. So all that I'm going to do, na my starts. Or them on who isn't. Near them and I'm no one. And the matron on a so the fish is strong, so Shout out to caterers. Yes. So now you can tell it's off. Be careful because once you are able to have access, then you'll be able to pull the intestines out of it. There's still more in it. Once I'm about to divide it, then I'll take the rest off. Now, we don't have anything that can cause us harm, right? Because I've taken all the dangerous things and add the pericorosho nyamana or nobutum wa winina. I've taken them off. Now I'll have my knife. Yeah. You can also use your knife, your scissors to scrape the no one and leave your nice comments and I'm no one. You can use your scissors so to clean your fish, yeah, without any knife. Especially students and oh, I've got a knife and I really want to eat fish, but I don't have a knife. How am I going to cut it? If you buy mini fish, something that you'll be able to eat once, you should be able to use your knife to clean your fish. So your scissors, sorry. It's even easier. But be careful because the knife is open, right? Be careful. When you get to the top, those of us who love fish head, you know, this place too, you have to clean it nicely, yeah. So far, I've been able to clean this part very nicely. The fancies will relate, especially those of us from the coastal area. A church or nam na anye ni ya woman me wona na odbo mo ma kwa church ho bio enchro nam na encho na ntaban ontutu ho anade no ho ahon anwo ho na obeka actually besi abencho nam da. So we are going all the way that route here. So this is so far so smooth and left with this place. Stay tuned and keep watching Hilda's Kitchen YouTube channel. We're now washing our fish very nicely, and this is salty water. I will soak it in the salty water for about 15 minutes. So finally, I've been able to cut my fish, soak it in the salty water. Look at the big head. It looks like mine, full of knowledge and things. I remember actually. Look at it now. I'm now going to try and put some black pepper. Yeah. And we are also going to add in some dry rosemary, kakra. And we are going to give it a good mix. Yep.
Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zivan Papa. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zivan Papa. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zivan Papa. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen.
And I mean, a match on a conda. I hope you are going to share this video, like, and if you are yet to subscribe, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are not on one day,
because more was savage Banuko, what we are nothing on your baby and what do you want to do? Say, baby, papa, or you hear this kitchen. Good food, made in clean and well.